Meaning of grilling.
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 Grilling. Grilling refers to the cooking method that involves placing food items, such as meat, vegetables, or fish, on a gridiron or grill rack over a heat source. The heat source can be charcoal, gas, or electric. During grilling, the food is exposed to direct heat, which results in a delicious charred crust formation on the outside while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Grilling is a popular outdoor cooking method, particularly during the summer months, and can produce healthy and flavorful dishes with minimal oil and fat.